How to convert a PowerPoint presentation into a PDF file. So hey guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can convert a PPT or PPTX file into a PDF file. So for this particular operation we will be utilizing a free online tool that goes by the name I Love PDF in order to do this. So the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. Just open any web browser and simply search for I Love PDF. Once you have searched for I Love PDF, in the search results, you need to click onto this first link from ilovepdf.com. So once you will click onto the first link, you will be landed into this particular page. Now in this page, you need to click onto this convert PDF option, and then you can see different types of conversion. Now from here, simply click onto this PowerPoint to PDF under the convert to PDF option. So once you will click onto this PowerPoint to PDF, you will be redirected into a new page, and it says make PPT and PPTX slides shows easy to view by converting them to PDF. So click onto this select PowerPoint files button and it will open the file explorer, using which you need to navigate to that particular PPT file that you want to convert, and then you need to select that particular PDF file that you want to convert. So for example, let's say I want to convert this particular PDF file. So simply select it and then click onto this open button. And now here you can see that the PDF file has been loaded. And once the PDF file has been loaded into the website interface successfully, you need to click onto this convert to PDF at the bottom right corner. Once you click onto this convert to PDF button, you can see this says that PowerPoint file has been successfully converted to PDF. So that means our conversion has been successful, and click onto this download PDF button and the PDF will be downloaded right here. So click onto this open button and now you can see that this is how the presentation looks in this PDF format. So that's how easily you can convert any PowerPoint presentation into a PDF file. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.